Dreaming of launching your own rocket? Whether you're a curious beginner, a passionate hobbyist, or shopping for the perfect STEM gift, we've rounded up the best model rocket kits of 2025 that'll have you blasting off in no time. From NASA replicas to high-flying stomp rockets, there's something epic for every age and skill level. Let's count down the most exciting rocket kits you can build and launch this year. This one's all about education and fun for kids aged 8 to 13. Featuring a rocket, satellite, and moon lander, it introduces young minds to the legendary Apollo 11 mission. The kit encourages creativity, fine motor skills, and curiosity about space science. Everything is pre-cut and easy to assemble, no mess, no fuss. It's a fantastic gift for kids and makes science interactive and exciting. Tap the link in the description to grab one for your little astronaut. Looking for something hands-on and artistic? The UGEARS NASA Saturn V is a 3D wooden puzzle kit that blends science with craftsmanship. It's not meant to launch, but it's a beautiful tribute to space history, with interlocking pieces, moving parts, and a tactile building experience. It's ideal for adults and teens who love mechanical model kits. It's also an excellent display model for desks or shelves. No glue or batteries required, just your focus and fascination. Links in the description if you're ready to build history. If you're a beginner in model rocketry or a NASA enthusiast, the Estes Alpha NASA SLS kit is the perfect place to start. Designed at a 1 to 200 scale, this officially licensed replica of NASA's Space Launch System not only looks amazing, but also flies high. With a beginner-level build, it's suitable for first-timers, yet delivers a stunning liftoff that will wow even seasoned hobbyists. The detailed decals and realistic shape make it a great display piece when grounded. Check the description for the best launch kits to pair it with. A legendary starter rocket, the Estes Alpha III is a classic in the hobby community. It comes complete with a launch pad and controller, making it a full ready-to-go set. Known for its bright colors, durable design, and reliable launch performance, it's ideal for ages 12 and up, or younger with adult supervision. This model reaches impressive altitudes and is reusable with new engines, perfect for school science, fairs, or weekend launches with friends. Check the link for pricing and availability. If you're after pure fun and altitude, the Rceico air-powered rocket is a hit with kids. Designed for easy outdoor fun, it can blast off up to 200 feet with just a stomp. No batteries or fuel, just air pressure. It comes with a full launch set, adjustable angles for trajectory experiments, and durable foam rockets for safe play. Ideal for ages 8 to 13, it's a fun STEM toy that gets kids outside and thinking like engineers. Head to the link in the description to see it in action. There you have it, our top picks for model rocket kits that truly stand out in 2025. Whether you're crafting a piece of space history or reaching for the sky on launch day, these kits offer fun, education, and excitement all in one. Check out the links in the description below to grab your favorite, and if you love this roundup, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, because we've got more cool gear coming your way.